Add a touch of holiday spirit with a small Christmas tree. Choose a mini version that fits perfectly on your desk or shelf, decorated with miniature ornaments and lights. Switch out your regular desk accessories for holiday-themed ones. Try using a festive mug for pens or a red and green notepad to add a subtle seasonal touch. Drape a holiday garland along the edge of your desk or bookshelf. Look for one with lights or small ornaments to bring extra holiday cheer to your workspace. Add a cozy, holiday-themed throw blanket over your office chair. It's perfect for keeping warm and bringing in a subtle, festive touch to your workspace. Light a holiday-scented candle for an instant festive feel. Choose scents like pine, cinnamon, or peppermint for a subtle seasonal aroma that keeps you motivated. Switch out regular artwork for festive prints or holiday-themed wall decor. Simple Christmas quotes or winter scenes add a touch of cheer without overwhelming the space. String lights are an easy way to add holiday ambience. Wrap them around your monitor or pin them up on the wall behind your desk for a warm, cozy glow. Replace your usual desk mat with a holiday-themed one. Choose designs like snowflakes, plaid, or subtle Christmas patterns to keep your workspace festive. Add a few small, festive pillows to your office chair or nearby seating. Choose classic patterns like plaid, snowflakes, or simple holiday messages. Scatter a few small ornaments on your desk or shelves for a subtle, festive look. Choose mini snowflakes, reindeer, or other holiday symbols for added charm. Swap your regular pen holder for a holiday-themed one. Look for ceramic mugs with Christmas designs, or use a decorative jar for a unique touch. Use a holiday-themed calendar or planner to help organize tasks with a festive flair. It's functional and keeps you in the holiday spirit. Display a roll of festive wrapping paper or wrap a few empty boxes as decor. This adds color and holiday vibes, and the wrapping paper can be used for last-minute gifts. Add a touch of winter wonderland with fox snow. Place small fox snow accents on shelves or desk corners to create a soft, wintry feel in your workspace. Upgrade your desk accessories with Christmas-themed coasters for your holiday coffee breaks. Choose fun patterns like snowflakes, Santa, or classic red and green designs.